not work for some reason. So, this is a trade offer for jewelry and crafts. Yeah! And if you watch my other video, those won't be the same things I will be giving you, because I told you I was going to give you this notebook, but my mom wanted me to keep it. So I'm very sorry. I'm so sorry. Like, I feel bad. So I'm so sorry about that. So yeah. So if I'm not giving you that, but I'll try to give you like a nicer notebook or something like that. So let's get on to the things you want, or that I'm giving you. So first you wanted this one, I think. Hold on. Like, I'm so excited. I got my Hello Kitty lamp. So I can do. Okay. You said you wanted this box, and it's clean. See, I cleaned it. Well, it's already clean. So this, and then you open it. And you get all of these space for like anything, like charms or anything. So that's what you get. That's what you will be getting, and then I just put it in a little Ziploc baggie of all the things I'm also gonna be giving you. Right, so I'm just gonna take it out. Yeah. Okay. Ziploc. So I'm giving you supposed to be like, hold on, 8 totals of 2, 4, 5, 2, 3. Oh, wait. 4, 2, 4. 4 of each kinds of Hello Kitty paper. It's focusing. Hold on a minute. Okay. You're getting the purple one. It's really nice purple. I wish I could do it. 1 second, please. I'm trying to make it better. Okay. So if this is not better, then I'm sorry. So you get 4 of the purple one, and then the back is purple, purple, purple. So you'll be getting 4 of those, and then 4 pink ones. They're so adorable. I just found out that I had like a purple one of these, and then has pink lines. So you'll be getting 8 total. And then I'm giving you 2 of these Hello Kitty little notebook things. See that? They are so adorable, and they look like this. It has a head. And it's just white. I'm sorry, it's just like a little note. But the front is cute, so I'm giving you 2 of those. This one and this one. Scooch this a little bit. Okay. Giving you 2 Hello Kitty pencils. Giving you this one, which this will be a hard time showing you. Anyways, but it's so cute, I promise you that. And that's like a flower on the eraser. So, and then I'm giving you this one. It's another pencil with a Hello Kitty on it. And this one has a heart. There. Giving you this Hello Kitty stickers. This owl sticker. And this sticker, which I just grabbed it because it was glittery and pretty. And then in this little baggie, you're gonna have 2 erasers. This apple scented eraser. It's focusing. Come on. Like little apples on it. Has Hello Kitty right there. My nails are kind of gross, but that's okay. And then I'm giving you a little seal eraser, and it's so adorable. Like, I love it. So, yeah. Yeah. And then your extras will be in this bag. There's all kinds of stuff. Extras, and so I want it to be a surprise, but if you saw some of it, then I'm sorry. And then I'm gonna give you this little composition box that I decorated, and it's so cute. Like, it's so small. It's blue. Write your name on. I know it's like not Christmas, but I found it cute, so I just had to give it. So it's so nice, and I hope it's okay with you that I wanted to. Well, my mom wanted to keep this, so, and I hope you like it. Bye.